And I am from the side of technology. Technology refers to methods, systems, and devices which are the result of scientific knowledge being used for the practical purposes. Technology is changing fast. Technology is the use of computers to create, store, and exchange all kinds of electronic data. The scientists and technologists we will need for the future. Thank you.
I am Rina from plus 1 class. I tell the advantage of the teacher. Thus, technology cannot replace the teacher. Teacher is so much more than a facilitator. They also provide a guide and mentor. Teacher provide the power of today's youth. Teacher give them the possibility for the better future. Teacher simplify the complex and make abstract content accessible to the student. Teacher expose children to ideas and make abstract contact that they cannot otherwise come into contact with. Thank you.
The internet and other advanced communication technology has helped to make the spreading of globalization even quicker. For developing countries, has to make many economics. In other ways, says that the growth of new, productions and advancing communication.
A teacher will be external parent while technology can't. A student spend a lot of time with a teacher than with parents. So, teacher automatically takes up all the responsibility of not for only teaching, but also guiding them in the right path and regulating their behaviors. When students struggle with psychological problems, the teacher turn into a counselor helping them to get out of the problem.
I have a question. Students spend time teacher with this.
In backward area, technology can't do, but teacher do.
I am saying to you now that India is not developed properly. Technology comes slowly in India. When India is properly developed, then internet will provide all places.
But as your kind information, I tell you there is a current situation in India. Due to the shortage of coal, India struggle with the electrical pass. So technology can't fail here without electricity.
It will increase slowly. In India, 1.37 billion people use internet and provide it. Slowly, the level of number of people are increased. So slowly 4G to 5G convert what you say on it. And electric energy is provided slowly and dam are converting.
Technology causes environment problem. But when we study in the school, not any harmful effect on the environment.
But solutions are made, but technology waste is used in the convert of many sources like electricity. One country in the world that import waste from other country to convert it in energy, and they create 1.37 billion year of energy in free of cost, and they import other waste. So what you can do it? आप क्या कहोगे इस पर?
Technology also causes a health problem on the people's. But teacher improve our health and knowledge.
Everything has a better and non-better thing, positive and non-positive thing. So this health benefit is that if you use safety, many things like Google, Snapchat, many things that lenses you can use, you can't harmful for it.
Students use word processors and main basic problem of their spelling mistakes.
By internet you can solve any problem, any spelling, word, any language, anything you can search from internet and solve it. Very easy for me.
Moreover, in order to learn the human skills like deciders, making time management, etc. Children need to a teacher. Technology is not teach the human skills.
No, dear, you are wrong. Technology teach our human things. You can provide YouTube and other sources which you can.
Question. Many students cannot buy a smartphones. What will you do then?
No. The students buy second or third hand mobile. That are we get cheap.
Many students cannot buy smartphones.
They can.
So the robot convince you. The robot tell you what happened, beta. The robot tell no.
On the technology, we search many questions, but teacher can't tell us all answers of questions.
Teacher teach student about the importance of discipline, but technology can't do nothing.
There are many videos on YouTube that how to stay in discipline, how to stay in.
Just imagine when a teacher come in the class and tell good morning children. The warm you feel in the